Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I'm here to reveal our latest card kit and inspiration. This is a limited edition kit just for Stamp Temper, and it's called Boo Day. It's our Halloween 2021. So I'm going to start off with the stamp set, and this is called Boo Day, and it features a lot of fun ghosts, and they're all holding something that is treat related. One has a cake on a hat, others holding cookies and candies. There's also a mummy wrap pumpkin, and there's stars in the corner that you can add to a background, and really nice bold messages that you can throw together to mix and match. Also in this kit is the adorable little Boo die, and it features a fun ghost with a bite out of its head, a cute little smile, and some detailed eyes. We have a couple stencils for you. This is called Funky Eyes, and it's a two-part layering stencil for the outline of the eyes and then the detail of the pupils. The second stencil is 6 by 9 and it's called Mummy Wrap, and it has all those strips of gauze going in different directions. It's great to use with paste or ink blending. You'll also receive 2 sheets of stickers, so we have the Friendly Corn and Halloween Sweets. The Friendly Corns have cute little faces, and then the Halloween Sweets have a glitter type sheen to them. You'll also receive a sample size portion of the Tim Holtz Ideology Creepy Confections candies. These are great to glue onto your cards. Or you can add them to your Tim Holtz Ideology Jack-o'-lantern for a mixed media project or display. We're also including some ghost tassel banner pieces. These are super fun. They're all clipped at the bottom and they have tissue. You can wrinkle these up and add them to your card or a gift bag. You'll also receive a jar of the Tim Holtz Distress Paste, either in the regular paste or grit paste. Also in the kit will be an assortment of the Tim Holtz Distress markers, and these have that bold tip and also a fine tip, so you can do some watercoloring or regular coloring. The papers for this kit are from Polka Doodles, and these are their Batty Boos papers. They're in all the right colors of the blacks, oranges, greens. They feature ghosts on cups. There's some stripes, also some pumpkins along with ghosts, some bats on orange, skull and crossbones with some cute little colorful polka dots in between, also some funky eyes that you can cut up, and a boo paper on green. And nothing says more Halloween than some rickrack stripes. Also some strings going across with colorful dots. Also a black sheet with all sorts of ghosts. There are 12 sheets in total, and those are single-sided. We're also including an assortment of bags that you can decorate up and put candies, cookies, treats for your favorite ghoul for Halloween. You'll also receive a couple Simon Says Stamp envelopes. These are A2, so you can either get black or white, and these do have that peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. And finally, you're going to get 5 sheets of Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstocks, and they are royal purple, orange peel, green apple, black, and ivory. Up next, I have a variety of projects from our designers using the contents of the kit. I created a gift bag using the papers, stamps, also the cute little Boo die, and the stickers with Happy Halloween at the bottom. Susie Plantamura used the mummy wrap stencil with some paste, along with some stamped and colored ghosts for the top, along with her greeting for a slimline card. Nina created a really cool Halloween vignette, and she utilized the papers and the jack-o'-lantern along with the stickers and also the stamps. And finally, Callie created a sweet card featuring really nice bright colors along with her ghosts and her message, all put onto some pattern paper for the background. I hope you've enjoyed this card kit reveal and inspiration for our Boo Day limited edition card kit. Be sure to check out our blog post for additional inspiration, and remember, this is only available while supplies last. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you later.